You are going to love the 2009 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, power steering, power windows, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, privacy glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.